Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily change MAC address. So MAC address is basically the physical address of any device. So let's begin. For that, firstly go to Start menu and type command prompt. Then click on Run as administrator. So now here in this window, you simply need to type ipconfig /all. And at the end, you can see the option of physical address. That is the MAC address of our device. So if you want to change it, what you need to do is simply open any one of the web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Once you open the web browser, you simply need to type the keywords MAC address change or technium. Hit the enter key and in the results at the top you will see a website. Simply click on it. After that, click on Download Now and choose the option of Direct Download. Shortly, the zip file for Technium MAC address changer will be downloaded. Double-click on it and extract all the files in a File Explorer. Then after you will see this setup file. Double-click on it too and provide the permission. You will see a prompt on your screen. Click on Yes. Then after, agree to the terms of agreement and go to Next. Once you click on Next, shortly the program will be downloaded on your device depending upon your Wi-Fi speed. After that, in the desktop screen, you will be able to see the icon of the application. Double-click on it and now it will open. Once this application is open on your device, you will see this screen. At the top, you can see your MAC address and bottom, you can see Random MAC Address option. Simply click on it and click on the option of Change Now. And that's it. That is how easily you can change your MAC address. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.